In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Doge future while examining Dogecoin cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Dogecoin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Doge succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. Dogecoin value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-04-20 plus 2.74% $0 0925 2023 04 21 plus 3.15% $0 0929 2023 04 22 plus 1.58% $0 0915 2023 04 23 plus 3.12% $0 0928 2023 04 24 plus 6.44% $0 0958 2023 04 251.88% $0 0883 2023 04 26 plus 5.91% $0 0954 2023 04 27 plus 2.82% $0 0926 2023 04 282.02% $0 0882 2023 04 29 plus 6.01% $0 0954 2023 04 30 plus 2.93% 9 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 to 2023 May 5.67% $0 0849 2023 June 8.06% $0 0828 2023 Joel 4.37% $0 0861 2023 AUG plus 0.81% $0 0908 2023 SEP plus 5.24% $0 0948 2023 OCT plus 5.10% $0 0946 2023 NOV plus 10.32% $0 0993 2023 DEC plus 7.20% $0 0965 2024 JAN plus 9.78% $0 0988 2024 FEB plus 14.28% $0 1029 2024 Blemish plus 16.96% $0 1053 2024 APR plus 15.20% 10 cents. Doge value forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees Doge coming to 13 cents in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around $0. For Dogecoin value expectation 2030 to 2040 What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Dogecoin coming to $5 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Dogecoin coming to $10 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent leave technique. Dogecoin is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Dogecoin is certainly not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage contest from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, and the group behind the undertaking is problematic. Might Dogecoin at any point make you a tycoon? No, Dogecoin could not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 7 cents. In the long haul, it will doubtlessly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and get more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first-mover advantage. It brings no one-of-a-kind incentive. It has a frail group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed in ascending cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long-haul most of tasks will fall flat. A few new businesses are made just to accumulate reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition. Yet most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, however, as a general rule, are pointless for the market. Vitalik Buterin, prime supporter of Ethereum, said, "There are a few smart thoughts, there are a ton of extremely impractical notions, and there are a ton of incredibly ill-conceived notions, and many tricks too subsequently. More than 95% of effective ICOs and digital currency tasks will come up short and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of activities will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? In the event that we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and impassioned local area. It is nonsensical to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance assuming that is the main pivot for the undertaking. Dogecoin is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017. With not a single specific premium and genuine use cases to be seen, aside of a regular utility and cause tipping. Be that as it may, Dogecoin People Group is dependably a decent spot for a decent chuckle. It is an image realm of digital money world. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed? Explanations behind Dogecoin to go up and ascend in cost are scant. It is as yet one of the most loved messes around. Even Elon Musk joins the fun once in a while, however, we basically don't see the reason for Doge long-haul achievement. Its utilization case is now taken up by Bitcoin and other more serious tasks. Dogecoin could hibernate its way into the future as a wistful worth that early adopters continue loving and utilizing for image and joke purposes. For what reason will Dogecoin